جی اب میں گزارش کروں گا ریدا امتیاز سے، پلیز آ جائیں بیٹی، آگے آ جائیں ریدا، آ جاؤ.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rida Imtiaz. The killings of innocent Muslims getting killed for the past decades should have a stop. Kashmir is a land of beauty and brave people, but it has faced suffering for many years. The people of Kashmir were promised by the United Nations that they would be given the right to decide their own future through a free vote. But even after decades, that promise has not been kept. The United Nations was created to protect peace and justice. Sadly, when it comes to Kashmir, it has failed. The cries of Kashmiri people are ignored and their pain is not given importance. Resolutions are passed, but they are acted upon. Instead of helping the oppressed, the world stays silent. Azad Kashmir is a sign of hope, but the struggle is not complete. We'll always stand with our Kashmiri brothers and sisters. We will raise their voice when the world turns away. The United Nations must remember its duty. Justice delayed is justice denied. If it cannot protect the people of Kashmir, then its promises means nothing. My dear friends, the day will come when the sacrifices of Kashmir will bring freedom. Inshallah, Kashmir will get its right and the voice of truth will rise above the silence of the world. Jazakallah.
Thank you.